Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Can you all hear me?
Good morning.
Very good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raj is not coming. Want to come to the screen? That's all. Okay. Children are very uncomfortable, and then to make them sit in one very difficult. So it's all right. Okay. So before we start, Shresht mother or father is are you there? Shresht mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shresht has still not sent the picture collaboration that we wanted to do. The picture
And
word.
ma'am, I have
You
sent
sent
before
it?
5 minutes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, great, ma'am. Okay, thank you. All right. Before we start, how about we sing the good morning song? Okay, let's all sing the good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. And how do you do? One more time. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. And how do you do? Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good, everyone. Clap for yourself. Very good. Okay. So, as you know, today is the last class for the summer vacation. So, after summer vacation, so let's try to learn more as possible. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about fruits. Yesterday also I taught you guys about fruits. Yes, I can see some of my hand. Has got some fruits. Yes, Shri. Yes. Wow, so many fruits. And also Yatharth has some fruits with himself. Very nice. Good. Yatharth has real fruits with himself. Very good. Very good. Okay. Shreya also has fruits. That's good. That's good. Even Branch is playing with the toys. That's good. Okay, very nice. Very nice. So, let's revise foods. Okay, we are going to revise about foods. Okay, so I want you all to look here and tell me which fruit is this. Tell me which fruit is this.
Apple.
Which fruit is
Very
it?
good. Apple. Now tell me which fruit is this.
ये वाला बताओ, ये वाला
Is
कौन सा?
it?
Very good. Now tell me which fruit is
Yeah.
चेरी. ये चेरीज बताओ.
this. These are cherries. Very good. Good. Tell me which fruit is this.
ये बताओ, ये कौन सा?
Which fruit is this?
कौन सा बोला? Grapes.
Good.
Grape. Very good. Now tell me which fruit is this.
Which fruit is this?
Kiwi.
Good boy.
Very good. Anu. This is kiwi. Kiwi. Very good. Now tell me which fruit is this.
Lemon.
Lemon. Very
Lemon.
good.
Good.
Tell me which fruit is
And which fruit is this? Good. Orange.
orange. Well done. Which fruit is here? Can you
Which
all
fruit
see
is
which
it?
fruit is this?
Peach. बोलो.
Peach. Very good. Now can you tell me which fruit is this here?
This is?
Pear.
Good.
Pear. Okay, pear.
Good.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So these all are fruits. Okay. All are fruits. Fruits are very important for our body. Okay. So parents, you need to eat fruits, and the importance of the fruits, that they are the source of essential vitamins and minerals, has a lot of fiber. So fruits are important. Okay, children. So tell me how many fruits किस किस को पसंद है fruit? Fruits को पसंद है? Okay, Aru and Adu, tell me. Okay, rest of you can mute yourself. Everybody can mute yourself. And Aru and Adu will tell what is your favorite fruit. Okay?
कौन सा फ्रूट बताओ?
Good morning. Morning, Manvi. Orange. That's good. Okay. And Vyansh, what is Vyansh's favorite fruit? Vyansh's
Is your favorite fruit? Say mango. Oh,
That's good.
mango and watermelon. Watermelon.
नाम को बता
Very
कौन सा
nice.
फ्रूट अच्छा लगता है बोलो मैंगो
What is your favorite fruit, Siddharth?
बोलो
Mango.
Wow, mango. That's nice. Okay, very good. Shirin, what is your favorite fruit? What is Shirin's favorite fruit?
काका आपका फेवरेट फ्रूट कौन सा है बताओ आपको कौन सा
Melon.
Watermelon. That's good. Wow. Very nice. Okay, Shresht, you tell me what is your favorite fruit? What is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Wow, strawberry. That's nice. Okay, Yuvraj, tell me what is your favorite fruit?
Apple.
What is your favorite
He's
fruit?
unwilling to come to the screen.
That's all right. That's all right. But his favorite fruit is apple?
Apple,
Yes?
yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Manvik, you tell me what is your favorite fruit? Manvik, unmute yourself and tell me what is your favorite fruit? What is it?
orange
Orange. Wow, orange. Manvik likes orange. That's good. Very good. Wow. Even I like lots and lots of fruits. Fruits are very good. Okay. So you also need to learn the names of the fruits like I have shown to you before. Okay. Like this. Learn all the names of the fruit that we have gone through before. Okay, children? All right. So now we are going to learn about greetings. Okay? Greetings. So greetings are very important. Okay, parents, make sure that your children learn properly about greetings and not just to elders, to everyone, friends, families, relatives. Make sure that they greet everyone. Okay? All right. So children, I'm going to show you a few things here. So, here,
देखो मैम क्या दिखाएगी देखो मैम क्या दिखाएगी
when the sun rises, you say good morning. When the sun rises, you say morning. Everybody say good morning. Yes, very good. And when the sun is above our head, we say good afternoon. Okay, when the sun is above our head, we say good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून
Very good. And when the sun is going down, when the sun is, when it is going down, we say good evening. We say good evening. When the sun is evening, we say good evening. Okay. And then when becomes dark and the sun and the moon, it comes and you are about to sleep, you say good night. What do you say? Good night. Okay.
Bye.
Bye नहीं करना.
All right, children.
Good night.
Yeah.
हेलो छोले भी ले.
There you go. When the sun is above you, you say good afternoon. Okay, when the sun is above you, you say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
When the sun sets, you say when the sun sets,
Good evening.
you say good evening. Good evening. Okay, you say good evening. And one last, when
Good day.
the sun and moon comes, and when it is time to sleep, you say good night. Say
Good night.
okay. So all these three things, all these four things, sorry, that is good morning, good afternoon,
Good
good
afternoon.
evening, and good night. Okay. Whenever you get up in the morning, make sure you say good morning. Whenever the sun is above your head, make sure you say good afternoon. And whenever the sun sets, you say good evening. And whenever you are about to sleep, say good night. Okay? All right, children. Okay. So parents, since it's very difficult to teach the children properly, make sure that they learn about greetings. Okay? After greetings, can the children please mute yourself? Can you all mute yourself? Kindly mute yourself, please. Okay. After greetings, we are going to learn about introduction. Okay, parents, introduction. Introduction is also very important. Okay, so if your child does not speak properly, then that is all right. But if your child is learning to speak, make sure that they are introducing themselves by at least saying their name, okay, and their age, and their gender, like a boy or a girl. Okay, so if I'll ask what is your name, then they have to tell me my name is Yatharth, my name is Shirin, my name is Yuvraj, my name is Vyansh, my name is Aradhya, my name is Adya, my name is Manvik. Okay, like this they have to they have to say it. Okay, so make sure that they start learning self introduction. Like for example, good morning, my name is Susanna Dewan and I am a girl. Okay, so like that you also need to learn your name. Three things: what is your name, how old are you, and are you a boy or a girl? Okay? Okay, what is your name? How old are you? And are you a boy or a girl? Okay, how about Yatharth, unmute yourself? Yatharth, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Yatharth, can you tell me? What is your name?
My name is. बोलो.
My name is
Yatharth.
Dharmita.
Very good. How old are you?
I am 2 years old. 2 years old. 2 years old.
Okay, and are you a boy or a girl?
I am
Boy.
boy.
Very good. Everybody clap for Yatharth. Well done. Well done. Well done. Who wants to give introduction? Introduction? Anyone else who wants to give introduction? Yes? Shirin, do you want to try?
बोलो अच्छा what is your name?
What is your name?
Shirin Sativa.
Very
My
good.
name is
How old are you?
2 years old.
Very good. Are you a boy or a girl?
I am a girl. पहले बोलो.
No problem. That's okay. So anybody else who wants to introduce? Do you want to introduce yourself? Do you want to introduce yourself, anyone? If Raj wants to do it? That's all right, no problem. Okay, so when I meet you next time in school, I want you to self-introduce yourself, okay? What is your name? How old are you? And are you a boy or a girl? Okay? All right, children. So, how about you remember the rhyme that I was teaching you before, right? About the elephant rhyme? Yes? Okay, everybody unmute yourself. Let's revise the elephant rhyme, okay? Unmute yourself, everyone. Okay, can you all see it? Let's go. The parents can also read from here and then we will read and sing, okay? 1, 2, 3, start. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. Okay, one more time. Let's do it one more time. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Shall we do it one more time, children? Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good, very good. Well done, well done. Okay, all the children will learn this song. Okay, try to learn this rhyme. It's time. I'm going to hear from you all. Okay. All right, children. So let's do some phonic sound as well. Let's do some phonic sound. Okay. Okay. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. The elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. H is for horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jug. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. Monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. L is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for extreme. Y is for yeah. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Yay, very good. Everybody give yourself a clap. Well done. Okay. So now, how about we also do some maths? Okay. Sing with me the rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9,
Big fountain.
Big fat pick up.
let's do it one more time. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very good. Okay. All right, children. So, how about we also do some Hindi? Okay, let's learn some Hindi as well. Okay, repeat after me. Okay. A से अनार, आ से आम, होते हैं सब मिलकर काम. ई से इमली, ई से ईख, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख. ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, एक एक कर भर लो घून. ए से एड़ी, ऐ से ऐनक, भाग रहे दुश्मन के सेना. ओ से उखली, औ से औजार, फले फूले सारा संसार. अंग से अंगूर, आह से खाली, उतना खाओ जितनी थाली. Ha 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 ha. Very good. Well done, children. Very good. So all these parents, all these rhymes, this Se Anar rhyme, you will easily find it in YouTube. Make sure that they learn from there. Okay. So Hindi is something which is quite difficult for the children to grab because we are not teaching them from before. So through rhymes, they can learn it easily. Okay. So now I would like to tell you about the notebook work. Okay, so we have been doing some notebook work so far, and yesterday I gave the children to do freehand scribbling of yellow color and blue color, right? Freehand scribbling of yellow color and blue color. Now I want the children to do shapes. Okay, so we are going to introduce the children about shapes. So this is the date here, this is classwork here, and then introduction of circle, introduction of the shape circle. So how do we do this? I have this toilet paper roll with myself here. Okay, if you don't have this toilet paper roll, you can use any roll that you have, or any container or anything. Use that. Okay, and dip the color here and make the children do circle here. Okay, and then it doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be nicely made. You can do anything with it. It's just that the children need to know the concept of circle. Okay, they have to understand the concept of circle. Okay, so by using any circle object, you can just do this work with the student. Okay, so this is how we are going to introduce the shape circle at home. All right. Okay, so also if you have bought the books from the school, I want the children to do the first 2 pages. One page, the workbook. If you have brought the workbook, this my first activity book. If you have bought it, I want the children to do page number 5 and page number 6. Page number 5 and page number 6. Okay, make the children do the work page number 5 and page number 6 this time. Okay, so these are the works that I want the children to do. And since this is the since this is the last online class before hitting the summer vacation, now we will meet only after the summer vacation, but we are going to give you some work or the holiday homework and everything. So make sure that that you are doing it at home with the children, and the children are participating equally on that. And once we are finished with the summer vacation, we will collect those holiday homework and we will judge it accordingly. Okay, so if there is anything that you would like to ask before the summer vacation, you can go ahead and ask. If you have any questions, parents, just ask.
Ma'am, the work which is given today is to be submitted in Google Classroom or to WhatsApp?
Ma'am, it's just that the work that I've been giving in notebook. It is just that when the children will come back to the school, like is half of the work would be done by then, right? Because you guys are all homeschooling them. So if you want, you can send it through Google Classroom. You don't have to send through WhatsApp. And if you don't, then that is also okay. I will straight away collect it when they will come back to school. Okay.
Right. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Okay. You can either send through Google Classroom or just keep it with yourself. I will collect it when the children will come back to school. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Where are
Good morning, Shiv.
you?
Fine, thank you. Okay.
Shresht is doing very good. Shresht also learned the months of the year. That's very good, Shresht. Well done.
I'm very good, Kevin. Thank you, Bolo.
Good job, everyone. Everybody is doing so good. And then during this vacation also, I want everyone to keep on doing the same thing like you've been doing so far. Okay. So anything else? Any other questions, parents? Any
No.
questions? I think since Manvik's mother was not here, ma'am, hello, can you hear me? Manvik's mother, can you hear me? Manvik's mother, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, today is the last online class before the summer vacation. Okay? Today is the last online class. Now I will meet you after the summer vacation. Okay? The internet is not so good, I guess.
My name is Ibrahim.
Okay, ma'am. Did you hear me? Today is the last class of today is the last online class. Now we will meet after the summer vacation. Okay, ma'am. And if it is possible, can you please send the picture again of Manvik's holding that word? Is it possible to send it again? You know, we did that picture collaboration before.
Okay, okay.
Because in that I could not see Manvik's picture clearly. Yeah, although it was his father, helping him, but then
Okay.
even if the father is helping, I want the clear picture of Manvik and the word. Okay, I think I think that's about it.
Hello, Soma. Hello,
All right, I
Soma.
think that's about it, parents. I will see you soon
Hello, Soma.
then after the summer vacation. Till that time, take care of yourself and also all the children. Kindly take care of yourself. Okay.
Bye.
And I will be in touch with you. Okay. I will be any questions. You can just
Bye.
ask me.
Bye.
Bye everyone. The magical world.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Say thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.